Hello, I thought I'd do a quick video on the Livarno garden patio set we've got back from Lidl last night. It was on special offer, so if you can see, because there's no videos about this online. So we were looking, couldn't see anything, so I thought I'd do my own. So it's $79.99. It's hard to tell how big it is in a picture, to be honest. So that's why I'm doing the video. Give you a few tips on how to build the bloody thing. So there it is in the manual, in the brochure they give you. So I assembled it last night. Actually, I'll show you how big the box is first. I've got a banana for comparison. There we go. It's got a big box. Managed to get in the back of a Fiesta. This seat's down. So yep, that's the box it comes in. Quite big. Weighs a bit. Quite heavy. So this is what it looks like assembled. There's a banana again for comparison on the table. So yeah, it's not too bad. Quite a nice looking set, big enough, nice and sturdy once built. But I'll give you a little few little tips to start with. It comes with lots and lots of screws. This thing took me about I don't know, 3.5 hours to do. I like stop in between because it kills your knees. All that scrabbling around with screws and things. There's about 4 packets of screws. There you go. That's all the bits you get in there. So you start off building the two-seater, this thing here. Then it moves on to the two chairs. Then you do the table last, which is the easiest one to do. Now these chairs are an absolute nightmare. This backing on here is really hard to put on because you've got these screws here. And the first one I built, I tightened them up as I went along, which was a mistake because I had a right job stretching it, pulling it across. So my tip is to put these screws in here very loose. Once they're all in place, tighten them up as you go along. Kills your hands doing it. It's really, really tough on your fingers. But I got there in the end. Also, as a little warning, I've got these cross members under the seat here, these things here, which I think just give it lateral support. They're a bugger to get in, hence I broke one of them. There's this little nib here which goes in the hole. As you can see, it's snapped off, but you don't really need it, so be careful doing that. So here we are, the Livarno Patio Set from Lidl in the middle aisle. Pretty good, the wife's pleased with it. It's not too big for our little patio. Looks quite nice. Quite pleased with it. But yeah, so it did take a while to do. Kills your knees, so give yourself an afternoon to do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. Catch you all next time.